Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 30th, 2023. Tomorrow it will be the last day of March. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to a YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. Yeah. The first puzzle. First puzzle is a 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 6199. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. Alright. 3 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 2 nines. So the twos are in majority. Can I start with 2? No. Well, will be difficult. Let me see. The 8 in the first column, the 8 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. Alright. Yeah, need to wait. How about 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this row. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1. 2, 3. 3 and a 9. Okay. The 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. Okay. Thinking. 1, 1. 7. 2. 5. 5. Yeah. 3, 3. 6 in this column. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, and 1. Yeah. No. We have a 1 here. The 5. Okay. All right. 5. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9. We have a pair here, yeah. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. Here, 9 in this row, so no 9 in that box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes, and a 2 in the first row. We have a 9 in the 9. Sorry, we have a 2 and a 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. Two missing numbers now in this row. These missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have 5 and 8 in the middle row. So no 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. All right. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay. 8, and 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Let me mark those. 7 and 8. 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. And look, we have 4 and a 5 in the middle row, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2. Yeah. Well. This hay fever is killing me, yes. Hay fever. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in the middle row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 2, okay. 1, 1. Three missing numbers. Let me see. Yeah, three missing numbers. In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, and the 9. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row with 3 in the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5. 6, 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Can I fill this yet? No. Alright. 1 and the 4. Yeah. 7 and 8. We already have 8 there in the middle, in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7. 7 goes there. Yeah. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. Thinking. 1, 6, 7. We have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now. Well, apologies. Need to blow my nose. The hay fever is killing me, yes. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 1 goes there. Yeah. 1, 1. 1, 7, 6. 3, 5, 8, the 9, yes. 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 9, 9, 6, 7, 7, 6. Well, will be difficult. How about these two missing numbers in the second column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 6 in this column, third column. 6 in the second column. So the third column, first column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Two missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Yeah. No. 8 and 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and a 5, we have an 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes, and they have finished in 60 minutes. 60 minutes. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Well, but I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this more. Yes, I really do. Don't think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.